Hello everyone, welcome to our another episode of our YouTube channel Flying Bees. First of all, I would like to thank you all for your likes and comments to our videos in our channel. I'm really delighted to know that all of you are liking our videos. So today I'm going to show you a quick recipe of noodles. Let me show you how I prepared or how I prepare this one. I have a packet of noodles here along with some fresh vegetables, that is beans, carrots, and I also have chopped some onions. I have a boiled egg and some spices. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm mixing the beans and carrots and going to boil it until they are half cooked. And now it's almost half cooked. I'm just going to drain them and set them aside. In the same water, I'm going to boil the noodles. You may add more water if needed, and to prevent the noodles from sticking together, I'm adding the oil that comes in the same packet. Now in a separate pan, let me add some oil and sort the onions, and once it's sorted, I will just add the boiled vegetable with some masala powder to it. So once the flavors melt together, I'm going to mix the boiled noodles, and to add some freshness and color, I will toss in the capsicum and fresh coriander leaves. And finally, for extra protein and flavor, I'm going to add the boiled egg to the noodles. Mix everything well and let it settle for a few minutes. And there you have it, a delicious, colorful bowl of vegetable noodles ready to be enjoyed. Let's give it a taste. So guys, our noodles is ready. I don't know how healthy it is, but to make it healthy, I have added egg, boiled egg, carrot and beans. So guys, thank you for watching. Please try this recipe, and if you like it, share it with others, and please ask your friends also to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Eat healthy, stay safe, live long. Bye bye.